Okay. Okay. So we pop the balloon and we find out who it is.
One moment.
Who's gonna pop it?
One moment.
You. I'm gonna pop it?
Yeah.
Wait. Edward, is it done?
Ay, ito.
You can pop it.
Ano ba sabihin? Pagkata, ano to, Kai? Kai? Paano to, Kai? Ay, nakakita ba
What's
sa
that?
camera, Kai?
What's that?
Confetti.
Confetti?
Yes. Yes. So,
After you
you ready?
after pop the
Yes. One, two, three.
Wait, gotta hit a house.
Make it. Down.
Having a girl. We're having a little. So everybody knows it's Angeline Sarai Carey. That's her name.
Thank you!
Oh.
What's that? Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you!
You're gonna have a little girl cousin there, Marky. Yeah. Girl, give the girl. Oh,
confetti ka pa kasi.
Mama, wala pa
look at all that mess, all for that. And I kind of knew that. I kind of knew that it was gonna be a girl.
Every boy has a girl in him. Because he came from one.
I knew it was gonna be a girl, though. I always, in my heart, I knew it was gonna be a girl.
Yeah.